Hello, and welcome to Digestive Disease Week 2024. I'm Kendra Douglas, and you're watching DDW TV, supported by Takeda. Today is World IBD Day. DDW celebrates the best IBD research and unites with patients worldwide in their fight against IBD with a host of activities. Kicking things off, attendees joined the IBD community at a special World IBD Day breakfast.
It's a celebration, like you say, it's a commemorate day for remember and to be up to date to the latest strategies.
I think so important. I think for a majority of gastroenterologists, it's a big cohort of patients that we will see. You know, we see firsthand how it affects their lives and just knowing more about that condition.
Later in the day, at the ASGE Learning Center, the Endo Knowledge Plus Theater featured special lectures presented by experts and luminaries.
Well, I just did the hands-on bariatrics and it was wonderful, and all the teachers and the team are excellent. It's like a one-on-one experience.
And on the adventurous side, doctors and trainees of gastroenterology challenged themselves with an escape room which required specialized GI clinical expertise.
It was super cool. It was really nice. So we had a group of young GI gastroenterologists, mostly with a focus on IBD, all across Europe, and we thought it would be really super fun to do something like this. And it was great. I think it's amazing actually that you have events like this at DDW.
The day is also about innovation. The exhibit floor opened featuring groundbreaking innovations and products from companies and organizations across the pharmaceutical, medical device, instrumentation, and various other sectors.
You can see the importance, I think, broadly based on the size, the scale, and the level of participation across the globe.
It's been an amazing week at DDW. Don't forget to be gutsy and save the date for 2025 as DDW is headed to San Diego. Until then, follow us on social at #DDW2024. We leave you now with some sights and sounds from DDW and a message from our DDW TV sponsor, Takeda.